Feeling stressed about travel? These 10 Amazon gadgets with clever features make it easy to pack light, stay in touch, and have a great time on your trip. RTAX57 Go Travel Router. This travel router is a small, battery-powered device that offers super fast Wi-Fi 6 on 2 bands. It reaches speeds up to 3,000 megabits per second and can handle up to 70 devices at once. This makes it perfect for people who travel for work and need reliable internet in hotels or out-of-the-way places. You can set it up using the Asus Router app. It has full VPN protection, AI protection security from Trend Micro, and lets you create custom guest network. It costs about $97. 12 South AirFly Pro. The AirFly Pro transforms wired headphone jacks to wireless. This compact Bluetooth adapter provides clear sound on planes, lasts up to 25 hours, and pairs. It's ideal for travelers who want comfort, light, and user. It connects 2 headphones and improves in-flight entertainment. You can buy it for $54. Share with us your biggest travel challenge in the comments. JISULIFE Portable Travel Fan. The JISULIFE fan is a small light fan you can charge with USB. It's made to cool you off well and has different speed choices, so it's great for people going to hot or muggy places. It costs $19 and is easy to carry, lasts a long time on one charge, and fits in your bag. Lots of people who use it and review it say it's good for many things and works great. 3-in-1 Apple Travel Charging Station. The Apple Charging packs up small and charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. It offers fast wireless charging up to 15 watt, which Apple fans will love for quick and tidy power on the road. You can buy it for $29. It works with MagSafe, comes in a nice travel case to keep things neat, and has plugs that work worldwide, so it's great for trips and saves space. We're halfway there, but the next gadget is a must to keep your stuff safe. Bagsmart Travel Toiletry Bag. The Bagsmart bag has several see-through pockets and elastic bands to hold toiletries in place and keep them tidy, making it easy to pack for quick getaways and longer vacations. At $15, it's water-resistant build-tough material and user-friendly features like a hanging hook and removable waterproof pouch make it a flexible, durable option for people on the move. Xreal Air 2 Pro Smart Glasses. The Xreal Air glasses offer a lightweight, cool AR eyewear option. They boast a sharp 1920 by 1080 pixel micro-organic light-emitting diode screen for each eye, shining at 500 nits and refreshing at 120 Hz. These glasses aim to make watching media, playing games, and working a breeze while you're out and about. Their electrochromic lenses can adjust their tint, letting you see in different light conditions. You can hook them up to your phone, tablet, or game console, making them a flexible portable display choice. They'll set you back about $400. Which gadget would you take on your next trip? Comment with an emoji. Tube Pillow you stuff with clothes. The Tube Pillow is a groundbreaking inflatable travel pillow that also serves as a pack organizer. Travelers can stuff it with clothes for up to 3 days, which helps save luggage space and avoid extra baggage fees. It costs $4 and offers neck support. You can adjust easy portability and hygienic convenience. This makes it ideal for people who fly often and want comfort and efficient packing. Inflatable Wine Protector Bag. The Wine Protector bags give wine bottles a cushy light shield for air trips in checked bag. These $37 bags inflate, can be used again, and last long. Wine fans love how they stop bottles from breaking and save money on replacement. Many travelers say these bags pack small but guard well. Almost there. 2 more gadgets will make your trips comfier and safer. Anker PowerCore 268000 Portable Charger. The Anker PowerCore packs a punch with its 26,800 mAh battery and 30 watts USB-C quick charge port. This power bank has an impact on travelers who need constant power, as it can juice up 3 gadgets at once. You'll shell out between $70 to $80 for this portable charger, but it's worth it. It charges devices and its tough build means it can take a beating. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect to toss in your bag for long trips. Fi Portable Tech Travel Organizer. The Fi Organizer helps you keep your cables, chargers, and cords neat and tidy. This compact and sturdy organizer has several pockets and elastic loops to store your tech accessories. It's great for plane trips, hotel stays, and everyday travel. At just $8, it's easy on your wallet. It doesn't take up much room and fits in any bag, giving you an effective and cheap way to manage your tech gear. Don't let this chance slip by to make your trip smarter and easier with these 10 Amazon travel gadgets. Let us know which gadget you can't wait to try. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.